While Sony hopes to maintain the excitement over PlayStation 2, other companies are racing to find new ways of using the internet. Fresh Gear's Jim Louderback joins us now with a preview of the iReady appliance. Jim?
Yeah, it's a good bet that down the road just about everything in your house is going to connect up to the internet, and a company called iReady is developing chips that they can actually embed in all kinds of different devices to give it internet access. I've got a couple of their prototypes here. I want to start off with this. This is a fax machine with a difference. It doesn't connect via phone lines, it connects actually via the internet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fax this map to myself, but I'm going to fax it not via a phone number, but to an email address. So as I type this in, this is to my this is to my Yahoo account, YAHOO.com. I'm going to hit Enter, start. Now what it's going to do is it is going to call a local service provider, a local internet provider, and it's going to send this out via a website to my Yahoo address. Now I've got my Yahoo mail set up on my computer over here. I'm going to go through the rest of this stuff and we'll see it over there in a little while. It's calling out right now. Another thing that they are internet enabling is just a standard 900 megahertz phone. You think about why would you want to internet enable that? Well, what if you have so many messages on your phone that the answering machine just gets full? What will happen is it will send some of those messages up to the web so you can get them on the web, or you can download them later. The idea of actually hooking this up to the internet is interesting. The other thing that's nice is this becomes an internet access port. So you can hook up devices like this. This is one of those little elmos. Now this is an internet-enabled elmo. Now you don't want to actually hook this thing up to the internet because you could download all kinds of weird stuff to it. But if you have just an ability to transfer messages from the phone to this, there's actually an email address inside this elmo. We transfer the messages down. Now you can imagine you could send a message from your voicemail, but in this case, he's just going to say,
"Remember, the force will be with you, always."
Now that's not Elmo, that's something we transferred down. The email, the message, my email went from here, it's over in my email box now, and the reason why you want to do this is because you can send and receive without having to pay those long distance charges. This will be out this summer.
Thanks, Jim. You can learn more about the iReady right now on the Fresh Gear website at freshgear.com.
A company called iReady has designed a chip that can web-enable any ordinary appliance. With iReady, you can